Olivia Culpo discusses her love for cooking as she took on T-Pain in the LG Homestyle challenge. If you've caught Olivia Culpo's IG stories, she is one heck of a cook. After opening her own restaurant in her hometown of Cranston, Rhode Island and whipping up some all-star recipes in quarantine, the swim model took on T-Pain in the LG Homestyle challenge on August 19. Ahead of the cooking competition, Olivia spoke to HollywoodLife and explained her game plan for using the LG InstaView Range with an air fry function, while also dishing on how she keeps fit and enjoying great food. It's definitely really hard, but it's easier to approach your health and lifestyle when you think of it less as a chore and more as a choice, and wanting to feel really good, she told HL on maintaining balance with fitness and food. The restaurateur explained she follows the 80-20 rule when it comes to her food choices. 80% of the time, I eat really healthy, and 20% of the time, I'm going to indulge and have whatever I want, Olivia dished. I feel like a lot of women get hung up because they're trying to almost use willpower to create a healthier lifestyle, and it just becomes not fun and there's this guilt looming if you mess up. The former Miss Universe said the 80-20 plan helps her feel peaceful about her choices and makes eating more enjoyable. I just think of it more as a choice and a decision that I'm making to make myself feel the best that I can, as opposed to something I have to do, she said. Related gallery. Celebs and share tops, pics of Olivia Culpo and more stars rocking the style. One way Olivia revealed she loves to cook healthy but also ramp up the taste, is with the LG InstaView range that has an air fry slide-in function. Air frying is an amazing option because everything is just so much healthier with minimal oil, she said. The model also added that she planned to use that feature in her battle against T-Pain to make the dough for the scallop portion of her dish. Olivia also said she's been using her air fryer at home throughout quarantine to make some delicious and healthy meals, like turkey burgers, yes, in an air fryer. It's obviously healthier, but it also creates such a juicy product, she explained. Any sort of meat in the air fryer tastes so delicious because it cooked all the way through, but it's still very tender and juicy. She added that her favorite carrot cake recipe is also must-have and available on her IG. Stay tuned for future celebrity cooking battles that will be announced later this year and take place on Twitch.